channel Sunidhi Talk. So this video is different from all the other videos because I got a new toy named Smartivity. Then I thought, why don't I make an unboxing video on how to play video of it. So here it goes. Let's get into the video. But before that, do you want to see how it will be? So let's see. So the toy will be like this, and this is an odd even shooting game. Okay, then the final picture will be like this. Okay, now let's get into the video. So let's start opening it. Okay, see, we'll get the marbles like this. Okay, we'll get in a cover. Then here's the instruction manual, see. Okay, and these are the parts. Okay, we are done with an unboxing video. Now let's see how to play. Okay, but before seeing how to play, see, I have assembled it nicely. Okay, then I have got a box like this. Okay, now let's see how to play. So there is a first stage, second stage and third stage. First, let's see the first stage. So there will be an even player and an odd player. And first, any color ball you need to take, keep it here. Just set the angle, hit. If you hit, this ball should go and come over here. Okay, but before that you need to set values like this. When one row is full, then we'll count that row with the values over here. Green is 4 and 3 is blue. Okay, see, like this if it's. See, now blue is 3, so 3 3s that is 9, and 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 3 16, so it's 20. So 20 is an even number, so the even player wins. Okay, so this row is an even player row. Okay, so this is the first level. Now let's see how to play the second level. In the second level, if you hit same color balls like this vertical, horizontal or diagonal or square shape, same color balls, that person will get an finisher and you need to keep it over here. You can use that finisher and which row you use that finisher will become your row. So, to mention that row, see, if the A row is the even player, so you need to keep the even peg in the A row. Like this you can play the second level. Now let's see how to play the third level. So how to play the third level? The third level is same as the second level. You need to put pegs over here, and which player has more keys over here, like even has 4 and the odd player has 2 pegs over here, then the even player wins. Like that you can play the third row. To unlock, like this you can unlock. Okay, we learned how to play. Okay friends, the toy is really good, but I just have 2 suggestions. The first one, see, when I store it in a safe place, the balls are falling off. But if they would given a box to store the balls, it would be really nice. My second suggestion is, when I'm hitting the balls, the base is bouncing. But if they would have given some support to hold the base, it would be really nice. So these suggestions. Okay friends, hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Okay, bye. Meet you in the next video.